Hey CEO, so here it's Paul from VeriForm. I want to show you your part. So I programmed it, and this is one of our bigger presses. You can see here, just turn the press, turn the press so you can see it. This is one of our bigger presses. We have our tonnage up here in the top right corner. You see 350 tons? So looking at your part, this is a 14-foot press, and there's no problem bending it. I'm going to show you. Let's zoom in here. Let's zoom in here. So, excuse me, sorry, frog in my throat here. So I bring the part to flat. So here, first we have to put in the false bend I was telling you about, right? So put the false bend in. Then we go to the next bend, which is what the bends you actually do want. That one's a 90-degree. Then we go to the other side, turn around, 90-degree. And then we go back and flatten it. All right, so lots of room on this. Now, I want to show you one of my biggest, see here, you can't see all this, here I'll move it over so you can see it. I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, there's actually a couple here that are even showing up. But if I go to this machine, for example, there's a 250 ton, it won't bend. So let's go back to the bending. It hits the ram here. Even if I put taller tooling, you'll see this is past hits the sides. I mean, it hits the sides of the machine, right? So even if I elevate it with a taller tool, it won't work. So I'm going to end the video here, and what I want to show you is that on all my 10-foot presses, it either hits where my cursor is or it hits at the top. I'll show you here. I'll show you one more machine here. Go to this one here. This is my 165 machine. This one, it almost worked. Everything almost worked. So watch. This works. The false bend. Actually, no, it did actually taps here and here. You can see that. Yeah. So I have to go to my 14-foot press, but at least you can see we can do it. As I said, go back to the machine, 350. You see we have plenty of room. We have no problem. Let me just actually check one thing. I want to make sure I don't hit here. If I go once I first do the first false bend, does it hit the tooling? Let's see. No, it clears it here, no problem. Okay, good. All right, so I'll just save it.